Jay and Dad DIY.
I'll do it myself.
We are doing things ourselves.
Yeah.
We're gonna build we built part of our Spiderman Homecoming costume for, where are we going?
Comic-Con.
To Comic-Con. We have our mask. We made the mask out of a spandex mask and some welding goggles and some plastic pieces and some mesh from a bathing suit and some clear plastic and some USB wires. And Jay's gonna put it on, show us what it looks like this. Yeah, there you go, web shooters. Okay, made from red wristbands and foam pieces and a door hinge and some cloth from a cloth shopping bag. Lots of different things. And now we're going to make our hoodie. And this will be our last piece, plus a little surprise at the end. Finished product. Make a fist. That's perfect.